Hi guys, Black here. Look there, I have another check engine light. This time I haven't put any kind of additive in here or E85. Yesterday, after putting in the window regulator, and it does work now, and the door panel is on. I gotta put some more trim stuff on though. But anyway, the damn thing started skipping. Actually started shaking first. I was coming out my apartment driveway and started shaking. Then I looked down, the check engine light came on. It's actually skipping. The code is 308. Number 8 cylinder is misfiring. What I was getting ready to show you was this. Normally when you put the transmission in drive, the RPM is like 625. Now it's 650. Hell, it was 675. But I just want to show y'all that. But the car is skipping. I don't know if you can tell, but you might be able to hear it. I can smell hot catalytic converter a little bit, and the car almost smells like popcorn inside. Now the converter is old, and yeah, I can smell real bad right here. I mean, it's not real bad, but I just got a whiff of it. But anyway, the catalytic converter, it needed another catalytic converter anyway, because it's probably the original one. But I never had a check engine light telling me I needed a catalytic converter, so I wasn't gonna replace it. But I'm probably gonna need one. I think I put maybe 100. Well, not really 100. Yeah, I think I might have put 100 miles on it since the check engine light been on. But I don't plan to drive it no more. I had to do laundry and drive to work, and I had no other way to drive to work, so I drove it. Otherwise, I would have parked it, because I don't like riding around with cars skipping. To me, that's what's the word? Broke ASS to ride around with a car skipping. Coil pack, rather. Yep, they got my coil pack. This is what I need to get out, and I'm hoping it works. Looks like somebody started to take. They took 1, 2, 3, 4, then they stopped. Why? I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and finish it. This is what I needed to get off the coil pack, and I thought for a second they might have came apart, but I guess they don't come apart. It comes at one unit. This right here, like it might come loose. I think it does come separate. This was selling on eBay for like 80 some bucks, and I wanted to buy a used one before I buy this one. Listen, I was a lot of traffic getting home. I had planned to get home, make a video of me putting the coil pack in, but when I got home it was dark, so I didn't. I just took the old car pack off, and I pulled a number 8 plug out to look at it, see how far it was worn down. It's not the original plug. It didn't say anything about AC Delco, so it's not the original plug. The plug is worn down. It's got a hellified gap between the plug. So, and also the valve covers are leaking oil into the spark plug holes, or well, leaking oil around the spark plugs anyway. So I put the coil in from pull apart, started the engine up, the engine runs smooth. I didn't cut the check engine light off because I had to use the restroom, but the engine is running smooth. So tomorrow I need to change the oil in my F-150. and I need to finish doing something to the window regulator. But I'm probably gonna change the oil in the F-150 tomorrow, if not tomorrow, Sunday, because it's down to like 17%. It's working on almost 9,000 miles, and I need to change the oil. But anyway, the Cadillac runs smooth, no more skipping, so that's what it was, a bad coil. And if not this week, maybe next week, I may replace the plugs. Am I going to replace the valve cover gaskets? I don't think so. I'm not in the mood to be doing that. I'm not in the mood to change the plugs in the back of that motor because I hear it's pretty hard. But I'm going to watch a few more videos. I'm sure I can do it. I just don't really feel like doing it. And because it's not skipping, even though the plugs are worn down, you know, I heard that when you have worn down plugs, it can wear your coils out faster. Well, I doubt it'll get changed this weekend. It might, but I doubt it. But anyway, that's all I got to say. Hope y'all enjoyed my little short video. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Y'all have a good day.